Hey, Robert here. For some of my future videos I'll be needing an HDMI to USB capture card, as the devices that I'll be configuring won't have the ability to record the screen any other way other than the camera in front of the screen, which doesn't produce the best results. With that in mind, I decided to look for a low cost capture card. Obviously I've heard of the likes of Elgato, but wondered just what I could get on a budget. The device that I'm reviewing today was just £6.99 from eBay. I didn't expect to get much for a device this cheap, but decided to buy it and do an honest review. So before we go any further, let's take a look at the specifications. The specifications are as follows. This device supports a maximum input resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second and a maximum output resolution of Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second. The video output mode is YUV JPEG and it supports LPCM audio format. The device connects up using an AWG26 HDMI standard cable, and the capture stick is powered via the USB port and draws around about 0.4 amps at 5 volts. It's compatible with Windows, Android and Mac OS and supports most acquisition software including VLC, OBS and AMCAP. It's 64 by 28 by 13 mm in size and weighs just 21.4 grams. Okay, so let's take a look around this capture card, or to be more accurate, capture stick. It's a generic unbranded product that only has two connectors and nothing else. On one end we have the standard HDMI socket, and on the other end is a USB plug. So, now on to the important part, the quality of the capture. The following few video samples show the quality of the video captured from a satellite receiver with an HD output. The video in each case is kept short so I don't breach any rules. Unfortunately, I don't have a 4K source that I can test this capture stick with, so these samples are HD in and HD out.
Right. Now through this evening and overnight then any showers that we do see should gradually fade away, possibly still some coastal showers feeding in from the North Sea though. Temperatures are dropping right back down to low single figures again, possibly a bit below freezing for some of the rural spots. It's another cold, frosty start.
Turn it down myself. I'd be surprised if he does, but he's not looking at it. Can he find the bolt?
Have now had one dose of the vaccine, and that's really quite incredible when you think about the those numbers. So I imagine anyone under 40 will be invited to have a vaccine in the next couple of weeks, and really means the government's on target to invite every adult to
Welcome back! We've got that Friday feeling because the weekend is here!
Goodfellas Pizza, made with respect.
How did the plastic surgery go, John?
Wow. I was very impressed with the overall quality of both the physical device itself and the quality of the video it produced. I'm impressed enough that I don't feel that I need to look for a more expensive device, as this does what I need at the quality I want. If you're on a budget, I would definitely give this a thumbs up. I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, thanks for watching.